Yo, what up guys? Today we're going to be hitting up the International Truck and Car Show that's happening in Calgary. This takes place in almost all cities where they showcase all the new cars that are coming out this year. For us, this is our excuse to sit in cars that we know we won't be able to ever afford. Gang, gang. CJ! Hey, come follow me into the trail. Yo, I'm going with you, Goots. Thanks, bros. Going in the Black Panther car. Okay, there's a huge snow gap. Yeah. Oh, it's still warm. Woo! Thanks. I'm just picking up my bro from this restaurant. Dudes, what's up?
Yo. Trying to get out of this tight spot.
Yes. There he is.
Can you come on the other side? Yeah.
Yo,
What's up, dude?
see that guy right there with the green jacket? He works at Solium.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's just talking about how nice your office is.
Yo, yo. So the actual event is happening inside the BMO Centre. And this is where they usually hold all of the bigger conventions, the Entertainment and Comic Fan Expo, some of the bigger DJ events, the raves and stuff like that happen here. But today it's a car show. I'll take you inside. Alright. Hey, yo, what up? What up? Alright, we're inside. It's getting hot already. Yes, it's an Audi R8. Right. Eddie's brother. Dude, okay. This is what I came here for. This is fucking sweet.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way, we tied it loose ends up, I'm sorry. Be cool, go on and fake it. We still know we will break it.
Okay, I'll be your passenger here too. Here we go. This is untouchable car.
It's like fast forward like 10 years from now.
2 months.
2 months from now.
All right. Okay, buckle up. All these Lexuses come with this.
Yeah, like that analog.
Dope, dude. All right, just sign here.
And then just off to the future.
Dude, this is sick.
Whoa, that's bad. Oh, and then it lifts. So much room.
Yo, okay, the interior of this is red suede, and the entire door panel is lined with red suede. I think it's like a Lexus thing, man. Very luxurious using this red interior. The steering wheel looks so small, dude, for its size of a car.
Yeah, I don't know. It feels like my car. Like it feels comfortable, but I don't know. Kind of have to compare it again.
This is insane, dude. It's like the passenger
Somebody's
is
driving too fast.
yeah, but yeah, exactly. There is no mom handle up here. It's right here. It like hugs you. Dude, even the inside of the glove compartment is full black suede.
Like to the future.
Dude, are you ready?
That futuristic.
Let's go. If only. Let's go before we break something. Dude, this thing is sick. Goes from a black and fades into a red. That is a ridiculous paint job. This is really nice green. It's wrap, it's wrap. Dude, me and Guti are just like checking this thing over, the finer details, seeing how perfect of a wrap job this is, and taking notes because it is flawless.
The factory screen is, but it's underneath wraps. Yeah.
Goots, let's go, bro.
Transport from car to car.
I think I like that appeal.
Guys, look who we found. Yo, sell some cars. I don't know, I thought that kid worked at Infinity, but I guess he's at Mercedes now. All right, we're in the Porsche section. So, honestly, I think we entered the building coming through the luxury side. So we still have one half of this entire building to go. Yeah. Yeah, Goots, come on, bros. Alright, we are in the Nissan section right now. For cars, I mean, these guys don't have too much to look at. The GTR, obviously, but that's pretty much it. Yo, what up?
What's up?
What's up? And I recognize the search. What up, guys?
We had our first ever YouTube fan come up to us and say, "Hey, can I be in your vlog?"
No way. Hey, what?
He's like, "My friend's a big fan of yours."
Oh, that's crazy, man. What is this? Oh, I thought he was supposed to move or something. Oh wait, no, maybe he is. Hank, move! Boo! Too soon, Junior.
Too soon, Junior.
Okay, go, go! Come on, man. Yeah! Dude, they delay it so much.
Slow.
Thought I'd find you in here.
Oh, yo, what up?
What up, what up? Yeah, are you upgrading?
How much is this model?
This is 140 grand. Chump change, right?
Chump change.
Yeah, right. I wish. My new car.
Yo,
Is this your favorite car?
I actually want to try this.
Dude.
sick, dude. Don't give that kid bad ideas.
Yeah, we'll give you.
Eddie, just make the switch, bro.
Right, no one can Dude, right, your clutch is nice. These
My
ones
friend's
so
like,
much more.
he's thinking.
Nismo edition.
Built.
What? Dude, the entire cluster just goes up and down with Is that with a regular 370, dude? This entire thing goes up with it?
Yeah, it's like that.
That's intense.
Yeah. Everything's exactly the same except for the color layout. Yo, I got TV. I got most of this. Yo, I have plenty.
Where's the wine? Road trip, road trip. Bruh. Classic Civic.
Yeah, you got rid of the seat.
That bar, number 6991. Oh, close to 7,000.
Oh, what?
Hey.
Team Rocket.
Yeah,
Let's go. Alright, so right now we're sitting in the Type R, the new Civic. Checking it out.
It's pretty sporty.
Seeing how it compares to... I mean, we all come from Civics. Civic boy!
Civic boy for life. Still driving Civics.
Oh yeah, that's true. Dud.
Dude, the generations of different Civics, man. That's crazy. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Wow, this is the
There's the old Civic.
The bus driver just like shifting with his feet.
Oh yeah.
This is so people don't steal the knobs. But yeah, this is it, guys. Yo, is the key around here?
The Kia?
No, the key.
Oh, the key.
Should we just go?
Try.
Little details. The R on the door still lights up. That's so cool. All right. All right, family, get in, get in.
These cars are actually pretty fast, man. Do you have a room back there to go to?
So cool.
Yeah, that's right.
This is Final Fantasy 15 car.
Is it?
Yeah, pretty much.
The official Final Fantasy 15 car was a Audi.
Audi. Sorry, my mistake.
And like you had to enter a contest just for the chance to buy. Because like things Hey, you see
Jerry, we're considering on buying this, man. Family car.
Family car, yeah, it's good for family.
Yo, you sell any cars?
Yeah. Trying to sell you one.
Oh, do you have anything for free?
The fridge.
The fridge magnet.
Closing in 10 minutes. Once again, thank you for visiting the 2018 Calgary International Auto and Truck Show. Drive safe.
Dude, okay, my brother sent me a photo and someone drew this on one of these tables. What? King's Must Rice. I don't know. Maybe someone saw us here and wanted to give us a message. There. For reals. What the heck is this? That is crazy, man. This is like the only Lotus in this entire show. Alright, we're gonna go check out the exotics one more time because this place it's actually closed, but there's still people in here, so. Sweet. Yo, I really do like that McLaren.
The red one is
Yeah,
so nice.
black and red one.
It reminds me of blood.
Yeah,
Right?
sure.
Right?
The blood of my enemies. And they've put away the Lambos. Too bad. Hey, this thing is dope. The Ferraris. Sweat.
Now 10 o'clock. Thank you for visiting the 2018 Calgary International Auto and Truck Show. We are now closed for the evening. Please find your way to the nearest exit and please drive home safe. Once again, thank you for visiting the Calgary International Auto and Truck Show.
Okay, this show is officially closed. But before we leave, I wanted to check this R8 out. Dang. Maybe one day. So we're finished up here. I think we're just gonna grab some grub. Something fast, man.
Senores.
Yeah, senores. Pizza. We're grabbing pizza. Favorite cars?
So that would be the Cadillac, the McLaren, the red one. 760S.
Mine too, yeah.
It's called, or 720S. And then the, I definitely still want a Nismo 370.
If you guys want to see this kid trade up his regular 370 for a Nismo, comment in the comment section below.
It was a home game, right?
Okay.
It was.
Yeah.
So people are going to be
Calgary Flames game just finished. So it's gonna be a gong show, man. Better get out of here before traffic. Everyone's angry.
I can hear it. You're like,
Yeah, man, that LC, hey.
to be honest, I didn't realize it was a hockey game.
Yeah, me neither.
I just found out what Jackie said. That's how I knew.
Yeah, don't. Looks like it's packed. Don't park beside those guys.
Their car looks less sketchy, so.
Wait, is that Shane?
What? How'd they get here?
How'd they beat us? What the fuck? What the way did they take, man?